Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Telegram account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Telegram account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, just search for Secure VPN. Now you can see this particular VPN has more than 100 million plus download. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So update your Secure VPN. Now once you have downloaded or updated your Secure VPN, go ahead and then open your Secure VPN. Now once you open this VPN, you can see checking network settings and you can see finding best server. Just wait as it is loading and click on connect, and you can see connected over here. So just wait for a while as it is connecting. Now once you are connected to this VPN, go ahead and open your Telegram. Now once you open your Telegram, you can see it is demanding for your country and your phone number. In this case, we don't want to use our personal phone number, so let's go ahead and open Play Store once again. Now once you open your Play Store, search for this application. Receive SMS Online. Now you can see once you search for Receive SMS Online, there are many, but I'll recommend this one. So you can see this particular one has more than 1 million plus download. So if you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. Now go ahead and open your Receive SMS Online application. So open this particular application, and once you open this application, you can see it is loading. So just wait as it is loading over here. Now once you open this application, you can see receive SMS, receive email, and also support us. You need to make sure it is on receive SMS. So select your country, because this time around we want to receive SMS. So click on USA and then select the state. Now you can see copy number, so copy this number over here and go back to your Telegram. Now once you open your Telegram, select the country. So we selected USA number, so we can just enter +1, and you can see immediately we entered +1. You can see USA. Now paste the number we copied over here. Okay, so the one is already here, so delete this one. Okay, now click on next, and once you click on next, you can see, is this the correct number? So make sure the number is correct. Please make sure the number you enter is correct, because if you don't enter, or if you don't repeat the same number as you copied from Receive SMS Online, it won't work. So you need to make sure the number is correct. So click on yes. Once you click on yes, go to Receive SMS Online and then click on refresh page. So you can see refresh, and you can see the code over here. Now copy this verification code and Once you copy this verification code, use this verification code to create your unlimited Telegram account. You need to make sure you are connected to the VPN, that's the secure VPN, and also you need to make sure the number you entered is correct. So just copy the SMS and use this to create your unlimited unlimited Telegram account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.